This is Hulya Aiken, who's going to be telling us what she wants the world to know about what it's like to be a Muslim woman in America. Hulya, go ahead.
I just love to be Muslim. I born Muslim, and I like to work to know just they have to love each other. They cannot look at each other for person, religion.
You said something about God, so let's say.
Yeah, we only have one God. All religion, we came to this life, we know we will die, but we have to love each other. And we only have one God in this life, and we have to believe that.
And what do you want for your daughters?
My daughter, the best thing I want, they have to have a best education, study, and choose the right thing, and be free.